Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I will show you how to make this beautiful granny square. This is beginner friendly. So let's get started. Okay, for the first round, make chain 3 in magic ring. Chain 3 count as a double crochet and we make 11 more double crochet into the magic ring. So total we got 12 double crochet into the magic ring. So finish this round using invisible joint. I already uploaded invisible joint tutorial on my channel, so you can watch this. I will meet you at the end of this round. Okay, I finished my round 1. For round 2, make a slip knot. Insert the hook in any of the stitch. Make chain 3. Chain 3 count as a double crochet and make 1 double crochet into the same stitch. Now we make 2 double crochet into the next stitch. For the next stitch, we make 1 double crochet, chain 1 and 1 double crochet into the same stitch. Now we make 2 double crochet into the next stitch, 2 double crochet into the next stitch, and in next stitch we make 1 double crochet, chain 1 and 1 double crochet into the same stitch. So we repeat this pattern. Okay, now we reach to the end of this round. We make 1 double crochet, chain 1, 1 double crochet, and now we make slip stitch into the first chain of chain 3 and fasten off. Okay, for the next round our pattern will be start in the previous round 1 double crochet, chain 1 and 1 double crochet, chain space. So here is our 1 double crochet, chain 1 and 1 double crochet, chain space. So we insert the hook in there, chain 3 and make chain 3 count as a double crochet and we make 4 more double crochet into the chain space. 3, 4 and 5. Now again we make chain 5 and we make another 5 double crochet into the 1 double crochet, chain 1, 1 double crochet, chain space. Chain 5, and again insert the hook into the chain 1 space, make 5 double crochet into the same space, chain 5, 5 double crochet into the chain space, chain 5, and now we slip stitch into the first chain of chain 3 and fasten off. We finished our round 3. For round 5 we insert our hook into the 5 double crochet chain. So Here is our first double crochet, here our second double crochet. So insert the hook into the second double crochet and make 4 double crochet into the same stitch. So chain 3 count as a double crochet and we make more 3 double crochet into the same stitch. Again we make 4 double crochet into the next stitch. Now we make 5 double crochet into this chain space. Okay, now we reach to the corner of this round. We skip 1 double crochet and for the next double crochet we make 4 double crochet into the same stitch. Again we make 4 double crochet into the next stitch. Okay, now we skip this 2 stitch and direct move to the chain space and we make 5 double crochet into the chain space. Now again we skip 1 double crochet, insert the hook into the next double crochet chain stitch and we make 4 double crochet into the same stitch. And again we make 4 double crochet into the next stitch. So we repeat this round until we reach to the end. Okay, now we reach to the end of this round. Insert the hook into the first chain of chain 3, make chain 1 and make 1 single crochet into the same stitch. So for the last round we make 1 single crochet into every stitch. Okay, I will reach to the end of this round. I make invisible join. If you don't want to invisible join, you can slip stitch into the first single crochet and fasten off. But for the better look, you make invisible join. For invisible join, insert the hook into the first single crochet chain and now insert the hook into the last single crochet back loop. So here is our granny square. Thanks for watching.